So today we're going to be downloading Malwarebytes. So if you open Chrome and you type in Malwarebytes into the top, it should come up as the first website. Double check that it is malwarebytes.com. That's the only official website. And if you click on there and you go on Start Free Download, it will take you to a download page which will then start downloading the small setup file here, which you can then single click on and it will open up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Remember to check the verified publisher is Malwarebytes Inc. as a double protection. It's Malwarebytes setup, so yes, we want to allow that. And install will be okay for most people. If you click on advanced options, it just gives you an option on where to store it, the language to use, and whether to create a desktop shortcut. So it's all fairly standard. If we select English UK, because we're in UK, and we can save it to the default location there. So press save and then click install. Who are you trying to protect? So if it's an organization or me or my family, now organizations do tend to have to pay. If we look at what the difference is, me or my family is best for personal usage, protection from 10 devices, award-winning threat cleanup, stop threats before they infect, but that's on premium only, which is a paid-for version, and all-in-one antivirus and malware. My organisation, best for professional use, up to 20 devices, stopped ransomware attacks, unlimited priority support, device alerts when there's a security incident, but obviously you will end up paying for that. So if you select me or my family and then click next, you can add browser protection, which basically warns you if you're trying to visit some dodgy websites. It's a free extension for Chrome, Edge and Firefox, blocks ads, scams, trackers and websites that contain malware and speeds up your web browsing by up to 4%. So you can skip that. It's not required to install Malwarebytes, but it is a good idea. So let's click yes, sounds good. And then it will take you through the install process, which shouldn't take long at all. It downloads some additional files because obviously the initial install file was only 2 megabytes or so. So this is actually downloading the main bulk of the setup file now. One of the reasons that it does wait is because if you don't pick various options like the browser extension, there's no need for you to download it. It has finished downloading it now, so at about 19% it will proceed to installing. And it's extracting the files now because it will have downloaded them in a zipped format to ensure that it is the smallest file size possible. You will get some cycling through here of different features of Malwarebytes, which is particularly important if you're a new user, so you know what it's doing. After the extraction has finished, it will copy the files, register the device, start the service. Shouldn't take long at all, only really a couple of minutes, and then 91% up to 100, install successfully, you're ready to scan your computer. So you click done there and it will exit the installer and it will then load up Malwarebytes. Imagine a world without malware. We do. And there you go, Malwarebytes is installed for you. As easy as that. Remember the official malwarebytes.com website. So hopefully that's helped you download and install Malwarebytes. And we will see you shortly. Thanks for watching.